Hey guys, OT Sports Cards, Black Diamond, box break number 117. Last team, like always, Winnipeg Jets, ended December 13th, 2013. See, serial number 20592438. What's the number on this? 20595243.8. Okay, let's bust it. Good luck to everyone. Alright, we'll start with the Ice bonus pack. And it is Johan Larsson out of $9.99 for the Sabres. What? 2 Ice bonus packs. That is odd. Well, hopefully second time's the charm. Is nope, Justin Fontaine, $9.99 for the Wild. That's odd. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Still 20 packs. Got a quad, Mario Lemieux for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Wendell Clark, double diamond for the Maple Leafs. Double diamond, Mike Richards for the LA Kings. All base. Diophonef, double diamond for the Leafs. Triple diamond rookie, Lucas Lesio for the Coyotes. Another triple diamond rookie, Emerson Edom for the Ducks. Another double diamond for the Leafs, Phil Kessel. Another all base. Bill Bradford, double diamond for the Oilers. Triple diamond for the Oilers again, Paul Coffey. Double diamond for the Kings, Luc Robitaille. Still missing 2 quads. There's another quad, Eric Lindros for the Philadelphia Flyers. All base. Rick Nash, triple diamond for the Rangers. Double diamond, Peter Stastny for the Avalanche. And a jersey for the Sabres, Ryan Miller. Quad Ruby for the Blue Jackets, Ryan Murray. Numbered 3/150. And a Scarbosa triple diamond rookie for the Avalanche. Another quad diamond, Jonas Brodin, rookie for the Minnesota Wild. And a dual jersey of James Neal, the recently suspended James Neal. Although, honestly, I don't mind that he need Brad Marchand in the head. I'm a Canucks fan, so that's why I can say that. Let's see. All base. Last pack. And we end with the triple diamond, Zach Parise for the Minnesota Wild. Alright, thanks for watching.